This is me and my dada. Today, I'm gonna show you how to build like this. It's a paper walis. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it, but a large one. So maybe this video is so long, guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to build that. No. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe my videos and share and comment anything you want. And like this, guys. Gonna flip it over. This. And like this. And this, guys. Guys, do you know why I always vlog all years? Because I always wanted a diamond play button. So make sure to like and subscribe, guys, because we're only 6 subscribers. We reached 7. Come on, guys, let's subscribe. Press that red button. So you can subscribe to me. So guys, this is what I'm doing, guys. Here is, guys. I'm showing you, guys. Please don't comment something like how to do that. How to do like this like I'm doing today. Because I'm doing my favorite to do. To build a walis. A paper version 1. Next, guys. Next is on the list. Let's combine one of them with this thing. Next, guys, put one of them here. And the second one on the top. Next. Geez. So guys. Tiyo Toy, pwede mo po ito itali po itong goma po, please. Goma? Opo. Can you just wait, guys? Before I rebuild it. Wait lang kayo to, hindi pa ready. Jeez. Kali mo na po kayo, Toy. Kasi ito, walis. Dali kayo, Toy po. So, let's talk about something. Let's explore. So, this is my dada. Taking a look in his phone. Next, this is my brother Kuya Utoy. He's doing it. He's doing the paper walis. Dalawa ba yan? Ito yung isa.
Yun.
Inalis mo?
Dito pa rin.
So guys, let's talk about something. Did you remember my latest update? The most latest update? Here it is. It's the walis. Now, walis na yan, Tiyotoy. Kita mo? Nawalis lahat. Gumawa ka ng sarili mo din, Tiyotoy.
Di ako marunong.
Sige na. Turuan kita. Kailangan mo 2. Tsaka kailangan mo din putulin ang... Oops, sorry guys.
Ah,
Here. So guys, do you know why this is my super latest update? Because this where I can build each paper things. Tia Toy?
yun.
See you later, guys. Just wait here, guys. I will be right back. Bye, guys. Tia Toy? Tika, gumawa ng paper airplane. Ada, pwede ka po gumawa ng paper airplane to, please? Para po to sa YouTube ko po. Para umabot tayo ng 10 million.
Para saan?
Para maging ultra rich na tayo. Na pagpunta ni Kuya Kurt, sabi niya, ha? Ano yan, Sam? Dito natin i-display, Dada.
Yung
Diamond play button po natin.
ano mo muna yun? Post mo muna yung ano mo.
Hindi. Kaya nasabi ko mahaba kasi masyado. So guys, that's my Dada. He's doing it for me, guys. So I will show up later. Surprise, guys. Look, I built it already. My Kuya Utoy just built it already. This giant walis. See? It's a big one. So guys, this is me. Here.
Tirahan.
I'm cleaning up my paper, guys. Don't judge me. Okay, let's put these things. Here, guys. And Dada po, nagawa mo na po. So, guys. So, let's talk about all of my videos. All of my videos are still
May ano na yung ano?
in YouTube. Dada, mag-English ka kay Mami Aida kasi siguro tong mga nanonood sa akin, English. Don't worry
Ako na.
about it. Ano po?
Puputok yung ilong ko dyan.
Saan? Saan, Dada?
Dyan, kaka-English. Gutom na ako, mag-i-English ka pa.
Ha? Pinalipad mo?
Dapat ano-ano mo rin, tumataas yung ano ng ano mo.
Nang alin? Yung alin po, Dada?
Finish mo, tapos mamaya uli.
So, guys, bye-bye. See you
Please
in...
subscribe ka din.
Please subscribe and press that red thing. But it have a name. It's subscribe. Please like and subscribe and comment and share. Just do whatever you want, guys. So next month I will have, and I grow up, I will have the latest update in my life, and you'll never ever see. So bye, guys. Don't you forget my latest super update because it's super agent.